Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2014 on a 14 reg wheelchair accessible Peugeot Partner Horizon with an allied conversion. Done just 52,000 miles from new, maybe a little bit higher than what the normal mobility vehicles would have done. But the beauty of this little wheelchair access vehicle is the price. Probably save yourself around about £2,000 and upwards compared to a vehicle that's done sort of 25,000 miles. So if you want to grab yourself a bargain, the vehicle's still in grade A condition, as is with all of our vehicles. Carry around about 25 in stock, so you've got everything you need. You've got your air conditioning, recircles the air inside for efficiency, fan speed, direction and heat. That's the automatic gearbox selector, so it's not your standard up and down, what we call an up and down gearbox. It's on a dial, so but you still got your neutral, reverse, automatic, and can be driven, if I can show you, with these what they call the flappy paddle gearboxes in a manual mode. So you've got your choices there. Also comes with electric windows, electric mirrors, ABS, everything you need in a wheelchair access vehicle. Doesn't come with Bluetooth. We get asked for that quite a bit, but there are some very good Bluetooth markets on the Bluetooth systems on the market, such as Parrot, etc. So you can choose from an aftermarket if you wanted to go down that route. So as you can see, this one's got the rear seat, so a 5-seat vehicle when the wheelchair space is not required, and on the rear these are 3 individual seats, so they will come down accordingly. If I can just show you quickly, and then round the back, sprung lever, that comes up, and that happens on all 3 seats. So you could have a combination depending on the size of the wheelchair. You can seat 4 people plus the wheelchair user in the back, so a little bit more versatile than the earlier ones. It's an allied converted, so it comes with a fold flat ramp, as you'll see when I walk around the back here. 300 kilo maximum weight, which is pretty standard. So you've just got your strap here, pull that up, that brings it into the upright position, and then this one here, I can manage it, yeah, and that lowers it to the ground. So quite easy, a lot easier when you've got 2 hands. So that's the ramp in its deployed position. So standard 4-point securing. It's got the wider floor, 33 inches, so will accommodate and gives you more opportunity to carry a wheelchair user and 2 rear passengers, unlike the earlier ones which have only got a 30-inch wide floor. So this is the electric winch remote for those that need extra assistance on getting a wheelchair user in, or maybe a mobility scooter. Got rear parking sensors on the vehicle as well. This one's in a lovely grey metallic. They are in a little bit of a short supply at the moment. 2014s and Peugeot automatics in general becoming very popular. So you know, grab yourself a little bargain while you can. As you can see, look, grade A condition. Coming in, you've got the there you go, the rear trays there, seat trays. The yellow webbing there is the electric winch. I showed you the remote control, so very easy to use, in and out, and then it just comes through. So you'd normally take the middle seat out and then operate it from there. If you have a part exchange but it's not wheelchair access, don't worry, we'll take any vehicle in and we'll always offer you the best price possible. So if you're interested in part exchanging, give us a call on 01634 716 911. Be happy to help you. Also, if you're looking for finance, you have your options. You can either apply online direct from the website, which is www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk, or if you give us a call, we can send you a quick quote, and then you can fill in all the details at your leisure. So you have your options. We use Motor Novo Finance, We find that they're the best. As I say, we don't take any of your personal details unless you really want us to. So that keeps that side all nice and clean for you, and you know you're not giving your details to anyone, just the finance company, and then we get an answer back within 10 minutes, and yeah, just leave the rest to us. It's as simple as that. So if you want to come along and see this car or any other wheelchair accessible vehicles, you're more than welcome. We're at Cooling Road Service Station in Wainscott in Kent. Postcode's ME2 4RL. So website address is www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. Telephone numbers 01634 716 911. We also have been selling vehicles to overseas customers in Ireland, Malta, Cyprus, and more recently in Jersey. So if you are interested in that, give us a call. You can also look on the website, and there's a dedicated page on there for the overseas buyers. But we're here to help, so pop along, give us a call, have a look on the website, and drop us an email, whatever you want, and we hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.